In this video, I will show you how to install the HD retrofit switch. Installation steps. Prepare setup, open switchboard and identify the wiring, connect the device. Step 1. Prepare setup. Tools you will be required. Screwdriver, tester, filers. Identify the switchboard that you want to automate. Here is our HD retrofit switch model. I will now begin the installation into the switchboard. Make sure to turn off the MCB before starting the installation process. Don't miss this step. Open the switchboard carefully and identify the wiring. I have now opened the switchboard. The red wire indicates the phase, the black wire indicates the neutral, and the blue wire indicates the loads. Step 2. Connect the device. On the HD retrofit device, you will find labeled terminals P for phase and for neutral. One indicates the HD load slot. Now connect the wire from the P terminal of the device to the phase wire in the switchboard. Next, connect the neutral terminal to the neutral wire. Finally, connect the load wire from the switchboard to this one slot on the device. I have now looped the phase wire from both the device and the switchboard and connect them together into the switchboard phase terminal. I am now connecting the device neutral wire to the switchboard neutral terminal and securely installed in that place. I am now removing the HD load wire from the switchboard and connecting it to the terminal 1 on the device. I have now successfully connected the switchboard load wire to the device load 1 terminal. The device includes a grey color virtual output wire which needs to be connected to the load terminal of the switchboard. Please ensure you follow the color coding of the virtual wire when placing them into the switchboard load section. Since the device supports only H-load, I am now connecting the grey colored virtual wire to the switchboard. I have successfully connected the device and carefully placed it behind the switchboard. That completes the installation process. Now you can turn on the MCB to begin configuring the device.